Hey, welcome back to the Danny and Amber show. Today we're having another snow day, so we thought we would do a wintry experiment called Snowstorm in a Jar. Hooray! So the first thing I've done is I filled your jars up with a little bit of water, and the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm going to add a little bit of paint to your jars.
Wow. Well, look at my Danny.
Okay, now Danny's.
Oh, it's turning white. Mom, it's turning white.
Alright, the next thing you can do is take your little steer sticks and mix up the paint until the water looks white.
Mine is already white, look.
Good job. Good job, Danny.
Oh, it looks like I'm making mice milk.
It looks like milk. Wow.
From cow. Do you know those cows?
Ew. Yes, kids, don't drink it. All right, who's ready?
Me.
Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle some glitter into our water to make it look more sparkly. All right, here you go, Amber. You can sprinkle some glitter in there. Wow. All right, the next step that I'm gonna help you guys with is we're gonna pour some baby oil into our jar. Now, the next part of the experiment is where we're gonna get the reaction. So we're gonna add some Alka-Seltzer tablets into the water, and then we're gonna see what happens. So I broke up some Alka-Seltzer tablets, and now Danny and Amber are going to drop them in one by one to their jars. Let's see what happens, guys. Ooh, I see some snow.
Awesome.
Oh, I see some snow in your jar, Amber.
Wow.
Wow, isn't that cool?
It's making like a sound.
Is it making a sound? That's probably the tablets as they dissolve. But isn't that cool? Wow, look at Danny's snow.